But because it's buried in the financing, they don't really appreciate how much it costs. And they're certainly not doing any comparison shopping. So I encourage you to do some comparison shopping, evaluate our warranty offering, and compare it to some others, and then look at the enhanced value that we as the yacht experts provide by being your single point of contact when you have a repair. Really, I'm excited about improving the boat ownership experience for our clients, and it has been an incredible success. So, this is Christopher with the Yacht Experts. If we can help you protect your boat or make your boat easier to sell, just let us know.